Welcome back guys, and in this video I'm going to explain something about phone in my mobile, what you can see in about phone, and what is the different modes you can activate by going into about phone. So not wasting much of your time, if you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Go to the setting, go to the MI mode. First is the MI user interface version. Tap it, it will check for the software updates. No update available for my phone. By tapping on three dots, you can download latest package, choose update packing. By clicking on settings, you can download required updates when connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. So different settings, just check it. And device name, I have named, not change this. You can change and according to your choice. Give your name, storage, how much space is occupied. Free in my mobile 136.5 GB is occupied out of 256, and individual items are taking this space, you can see. And you can delete if your space is full. You can clear from here, some cache file will be deleted, or from here you can analyze the space and act accordingly. By clicking on MI user interface version, you will be developer. Already I am developer. Where it will become, where if it will come, it will additional setting and go below. Developer option is here, it is activated. I will turn it off. Now if we go back and come back again, it will not come here. So now I will activate and show you. Tap on 7-8 times. Now I am a developer, you are a developer. Go below, go to additional settings, go below. Here developer option has come. That's all. So now again we will go to the here in Android version, this is 13 TQ1. If it tap 2-3 times, the current time will be shown. But if we will go to the version, it will show some animations. I will show you. It is Android 13. I am going to 13. Now it is displaying 13. This means it is confirming that it is Android version 13. And by swiping like that, you can change the animations. So this is one thing also I wanted to tell you. Here you can see the detailed info and specs of the phone, backup and restore on mobile device, on computer, on cloud. Here you can erase all data, all the item listed above will be erased permanently. Backup all important data to your computer or Xiaomi cloud before you continue this. So this is factory reset, and this is the different certifications this mobile is having. So this is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.